People usually think that religion belongs to only a certain group of people who profess a particular belief system and practice certain religious rituals and teachings. Those who do not belong to a particular religious organization, such as Christian churches or Buddhist temples, are not religious at all. This person is spiritual without being related to a specific religious organization or practice, accepting or even longing for a meaningful way of discovering him or herself in relation to a divine being or deeper mystery of power in their life.
Such efforts lead their followers to recontemplate the implications and clarify those key concepts toward a synthetical theory. In the previous section 2 and 3, I note and describe the difference between Han Wonjin and Igan's view of Mi발 state and the nature of humans and non-humans.